Friends, family, and loved ones, Divine Wisdom here. Thanks for following. Okay, so, I just wanted to say, I noticed a couple of things. I've watched a lot of readers in the last year and a half, almost fucking 2 years now. I don't know. It's been a year, at least a year. Anyway, point is that, you know, the confirmations that we get from Spirit are not only from dogs barking or sirens or things like that, or music that changes up. That's energy coming into your space that shouldn't be there. That's negative energy that's fucking with you. Okay. But if you, like, a lot of other readers I've noticed, if they burp, or like they call them spiritual burps, okay? Because it's basically, if there's no other noise or anything around, that's basically your body telling it's spirit working through your body, basically, to tell you that that's a confirmation when you're in the middle of your tarot read. Yeah, for the tarot readers that aren't aware, that's what that's about. Okay. It's just additional confirmation if you have, like, the music off or electronics off, you know. Yeah. So, watch other readers. You guys learn from each other. Okay. That's what we're here to do. Alright. I just got a confirmation. Software update came up, so we're trying to reprogram our minds, right? To know what is really right and what we really came here for, right? We're trying to awaken and remember. Okay. Whatever you guys do, make sure you're doing it from love.